Foundation repair is super important, and if it's done wrong, like your mom's case, it can totally make things worse instead of better. So here's the deal. First, get a structural engineer out there to check the whole foundation situation. They'll give a clear idea of what's actually broken and what needs fixing. Next, make sure any contractor you hire has a solid plan that includes both fixing the walls properly and fixing the drainage around the house, not just quick patches like carbon fiber strips. You want to see stuff like wall stabilization or underpinning if needed, plus grading the soil so water flows away from the foundation. Always ask for a detailed contract that spells out exactly what they'll do, and don't be shy about asking for references or photos of past jobs. Keep an eye on drainage issues because poor drainage is often the root cause of foundation problems, like muddy water pouring through cracks is a huge red flag. If possible, get multiple quotes so you can compare not just price, but what's included in the repair. Lastly, document everything and keep all contracts and reports handy in case you need to hold someone accountable later. One of the biggest mistakes with foundation repair is hiring contractors who only do surface level fixes, like installing drainage tile or putting on carbon fiber strips without addressing the root cause. This leaves walls weak and water problems ongoing. Fix this by demanding a full assessment and a solution that addresses both structure and drainage. Another common issue is ignoring soil grading. Negative drainage keeps water pooling near the foundation, causing more damage. The fix is to have the soil regraded properly so it slopes away from the house. Third, not getting a structural engineer involved early on can lead to missed damage or improper repairs. Always bring in an engineer before signing any repair contract to make sure you're not wasting money on band-aids. BigHomeProjects.com is great for finding trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing when it comes to foundation repair. It also helps contractors connect with homeowners who need reliable, quality work, making it easier for both sides to find the right match.